Hold on to your hats, fashionistas, because the industry is changing faster than a quick change backstage. The fashion world is no stranger to rapid transformations, but this time the change is more profound and far-reaching than ever before. We are witnessing a seismic shift that is redefining the very fabric of fashion. It's not just about the latest trends or the hottest new designers making waves. This revolution is driven by cutting-edge technology that promises to reshape the industry in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. We're not just talking about a new trend or a hot new designer. This is something much bigger, something that has the potential to change the way we think about fashion entirely. Imagine a world where creativity meets technology, where the boundaries of what's possible are constantly being pushed. That's the world we're stepping into, and it's incredibly exciting. Nope, this revolution is all about artificial intelligence, or AI as you cool kids call it. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. From designing clothes to predicting trends, AI is making its mark in every corner of the fashion industry. It's like having a super smart assistant who never sleeps, always ready to help you create something extraordinary. Get ready for AI models, digital clothing, and virtual photo shoots. These aren't just futuristic concepts. They're happening right now. AI models are gracing the runways, digital clothing is becoming a reality, and virtual photo shoots are taking the fashion world by storm. It's a blend of art and technology that is opening up new possibilities and pushing the boundaries of creativity. It's a whole new world, and trust me, it's fierce. The fusion of AI and fashion is creating a landscape that is as dynamic as it is innovative. Imagine a world where your wardrobe is curated by an AI stylist, where your clothes are designed with precision and creativity that surpasses human capabilities. It's a thrilling time to be a part of the fashion industry, and the future looks brighter than ever. Remember when I told you to work the runway like it's your last? Well, that advice still holds, but now there's a twist. With AI models entering the scene, the competition is getting tougher. These digital divas are flawless, tireless, and always ready to steal the spotlight. But don't worry, there's still room for human creativity and expression. In fact, AI is here to enhance our abilities, not replace them. Well, AI models never get tired. They don't need breaks, they don't have off days, and they can work around the clock. This means more efficiency and more opportunities to create stunning fashion moments. But it also means that the human touch is more valuable than ever. The unique perspectives and emotions that human models bring to the table are irreplaceable, and AI is here to complement that, not overshadow it. They don't have diva demands, no more dealing with last-minute cancellations or temperamental behavior. AI models are always ready to go, always looking perfect, and always delivering their best performance. This reliability is a game changer for the fashion industry, allowing designers and photographers to focus on their creative vision without any distractions. They're always ready for their close-up. With AI, every shot is perfect, every angle is flawless, and every detail is meticulously crafted. This level of precision and consistency is something that was previously unimaginable. It's like having a dream team of models who are always on point, always camera ready, and always delivering stunning results. This technology is shaking things up, and we need to talk about it. The integration of AI in fashion is not just a trend, it's a revolution. It's changing the way we design, create, and experience fashion. It's opening up new possibilities and challenging us to think differently. So let's embrace this change, explore the endless opportunities it brings, and get ready for a future where fashion and technology go hand in hand. The future of fashion is here, and it's powered by AI. So how do you create an AI model? It's a fascinating process that combines creativity with cutting-edge technology. It's not like they just strut out of the algorithm fully formed, honey. There's a lot more to it than meets the eye. We're talking high-tech stuff here, the kind of technology that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. It all starts with something called generative adversarial networks, or GANs for short. These are the backbone of many AI-generated models. Imagine two algorithms battling it out. One is the creator and the other is the critic. One creates images, the other judges them. The creator tries to make the most realistic images possible, while the critic tries to spot any flaws. They keep going until, bam, you have a realistic-looking AI model. It's a continuous process of improvement and refinement. Then there are tools like DALL, MidJourney, and Adobe Firefly. These platforms have revolutionized the way we create digital art and fashion. These babies are like digital artists on steroids. They can generate incredibly detailed and creative designs in a fraction of the time it would take a human. You type in what you want, maybe a fierce model with emerald eyes and a power suit, and boom, the AI gets to work interpreting your request with astonishing accuracy. The AI whips up an image that'll blow your mind. It's like having a personal artist who never sleeps and can create anything you imagine. It's like magic, but with more pixels. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Designers can start with a simple sketch and let the AI refine it, adding details and textures that bring the design to life. Collaboration between human creativity and AI technology is where the real magic happens. Designers and AI working together can produce results that are truly groundbreaking. The entire process, from concept to final image, can be incredibly fast. What used to take weeks or even months can now be done in days or hours, and the results? Stunning. AI-generated designs are making their way onto runways and into the hands of fashion enthusiasts around the world. Even fabric patterns and textures can be generated by AI, giving designers a whole new palette of options to work with. Virtual reality is another tool that's being integrated with AI. Designers can now view their creations in 3D, making adjustments in real time. Imagine a virtual runway show where every model, every outfit is generated by AI. It's not just the future of fashion, it's happening right now. The fusion of AI and fashion is creating a new era of design, one where the impossible becomes possible, and it's only just beginning. So the next time you see a stunning fashion design, remember, it might just have been born in the machine. Don't think for a second that this is just some futuristic fantasy. Major brands are already jumping on the AI bandwagon. H&M, those trend-setting darlings, have used AI models in their campaigns. Prada, known for their high fashion edge, has experimented with AI-generated looks. And Balenciaga, always pushing the boundaries, they're no strangers to the digital world. These brands are showing us that AI isn't just a gimmick. It's a powerful tool that can create stunning visuals, personalize the shopping experience, and even predict future trends. Section 4, AI versus human, the fashion face-off. Now let's get real for a minute. Is this the end of the human model as we know it? AI models are cost-effective, always available, and can be molded to fit any brand. They're basically the perfect employees, at least on paper, but let's not forget the human element. Human models bring personality, emotion, and that's certain to a campaign. They inspire us, they make us dream, and they connect with us on a human level. AI might be able to mimic that, but can it truly replace it? That's the million-dollar question. Section 5, Ethical Ensembles, Navigating the AI Runway. In this section, we delve into the fascinating yet complex world of AI in fashion. The runway is no longer just a place for human models. It's becoming a digital playground where technology and creativity intersect. Hold up, before we get too carried away with all this digital fabulousness, we need to talk ethics. The integration of AI into fashion isn't just about innovation, it's about responsibility. We need to consider the ethical implications that come with this technological leap. Like any new technology, AI comes with its own set of challenges. It's not just a tool, it's a transformative force that can reshape the industry in ways we might not fully understand yet. From design to production, AI is making waves, but these waves can sometimes be disruptive. Job displacement is a big one. As AI takes on more roles traditionally held by humans, there's a real concern about what happens to those jobs. The fashion industry employs millions worldwide, from designers to seamstresses to models. If AI starts to replace these roles, the impact could be devastating. If brands are using more AI models, what happens to the real people who rely on this industry for their livelihood? It's not just about the models on the runway. It's about the entire ecosystem of workers who make fashion possible. We need to find a balance that allows for technological advancement without sacrificing human jobs. Then there's the issue of bias. AI algorithms are created by humans, and they can inherit the biases of their creators. If the data used to train these algorithms is biased, the results will be too. This can lead to a perpetuation of harmful stereotypes and a lack of diversity in fashion. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on, and if that data is limited, it can perpetuate harmful stereotypes. For example, if an AI is trained primarily on images of thin white models, it will continue to generate similar images, excluding a vast array of body types and ethnicities. We need to make sure that AI in fashion is inclusive and represents all forms of beauty, not just a narrow, often unrealistic ideal. This means actively working to diversify the data sets used to train AI and being mindful of the potential for bias at every step of the process. Inclusivity should be at the forefront of AI development in fashion, ensuring that technology enhances rather than diminishes the rich diversity of human beauty. Collaboration is key. Fashion designers, AI experts, and ethicists need to work together to create guidelines and best practices for the use of AI in fashion. This collaborative approach can help mitigate the risks and maximize the benefits, ensuring that AI serves as a tool for positive change rather than a source of harm. The future of fashion is undoubtedly intertwined with AI, but it's up to us to navigate this runway responsibly. By addressing ethical concerns head-on and striving for inclusivity, we can create a fashion industry that is not only innovative but also equitable and just. Let's embrace the possibilities of AI while staying grounded in our commitment to ethical practices and human dignity. Section 6, the future of fashion, fabricated or fearless. So what does the future hold for the fashion industry? Will we be living in a world ruled by AI stylists and virtual catwalks, or will human creativity always be at the heart of fashion? It's too early to say for sure, but one thing's for certain, the industry is in for a wild ride. AI has the potential to revolutionize fashion in ways we can only imagine. It can make fashion more accessible, sustainable, and personalized. But we need to proceed with caution, ensuring that ethical considerations are at the forefront of every innovation. Section 7. Strike a pose with your opinions. All right, fashion fans, I want to hear from you. What do you think about AI taking over the fashion industry? Are you excited about the possibilities, concerned about the potential downsides? Share your thoughts, because this is a conversation we need to have.